The Honorable Ministers, teachers and students, ladies and gentlemen of Matidalangi District School, I acknowledge with appreciation the traditional ceremony of welcome you have accorded to me and the government delegation this afternoon. It is indeed a pleasure for me to be here on the occasion of the opening of the 5 new school classrooms and the living quarters for teachers. Ladies and gentlemen, the 5 classrooms that we will open today is part of government's commitment to ensure access to education by all Fijians. Educating our children, our future generation, is a right that government needs to fulfill. Government continues to encourage the development and upgrading of school facilities. The Matidalangi District School benefits everyone within the neighboring villages of Mbatiri and Narailangi and the nearby settlements of Uningolingoli and Loti. The facility that we will open today is an investment to rebuild the school, which was destroyed by fire in 2014. I believe that a lot must have been destroyed in that fire, hopes, dreams, and visions. However, it is encouraging to hear of how you have persevered to continue with classes in existing classrooms, which may be too crowded and not conducive to learning at times. For this, I commend you. Today, I'm pleased that we have built new classrooms to provide you with the best environment for learning. I always say that government is committed to providing education to all Fijians. School is where your hopes and dreams for the future is inculcated. It is the breeding ground of our future leaders and future front runners of this nation. Education is liberating. It liberates a community, it liberates individuals, and more so, it liberates a nation to achieve its maximum capacity. Ensuring access to education is my personal quest, and it marvels me to see that assistance is given where it is due. I'm proud to say that it has been one of my most significant accomplishments ever since the inception of my government. Education is a priority of my government. This means providing substantial budget and work with our development partners to assist in any way we can. And I urge you to take advantage of the education assistance government is offering. Now your children are able to access education. They can now dedicate their time and effort to their studies without having to suffer the stress of long distance traveling and being isolated in rural settings such as this. I plead with parents to take a more proactive role in your children's education. Pillar 4 of the current education reform look at your engagement, and as we move on from here today, it is my anticipation that you will value what the government has assisted you with. The school will be here, teachers will be stationed here. We expect more interaction between parents and teachers, so you are kept informed of your child's education progress. My government is proud to stamp a mark in your soil through the construction of the new classroom and teachers' quarters to remind you of the commitment to make Fiji a knowledgeable society.
Very good.